Hello guys, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about Troncase. Troncase is a smart contract that has been running since January. So I didn't join in the beginning because I wanted to see how it plays, and so far it has been good. Everything has checked out. The smart contract is audited. They can't drag, so everything has checked out, and today I've decided to start in Troncase. And for those of you who are having Tron, I would emphasize you to put some Tron into this thing because it pays up to 300%. You put in 100 Tron, it will pay you till you get out 300%. So this is the back office. As you can see, it's the website. There is a presentation. If you click on presentation, it will give you a PDF file which you can download and also check out how the compensation plan is. So I'm just going to go through it and I document you my journey. I'm going to be shooting videos every day showing you my progress, and also I'll be giving out some goodies to some lucky members. So every day I will be choosing one lucky member and I will be sending Tron to that one member. All you have to do is to comment on my video with your TRX address. So I will be giving out some 50 Tron to begin with and see how it plays out. So this is the website. I'm not going to read all this. You guys can pause the video and read about this, and also I'm going to leave the link in the description. You can follow it up and be able to follow up everything. They have done 2 audit reports. There is audit report 1 and also audit report 2, and total contributed amount, let me see, that is 714 million Tron that has been contributed into the smart contract. And the total active participants are 151,294 members. So this thing is growing massively. Yesterday it was just for 150,000. So the audit report and smart contract codes, everything checks out how it works. Step number 1, you get Tron. Step number 2, you download the wallet. Me personally, I'm going to use the Tron link, but you can use Tron Mask or Clever Wallet. They can also work. Step number 3, you send TRX to the smart contract, and step number 4, you start earning. So the minimum contribution is 100 TRX and the maximum contribution is 4 million TRX. So you get rewards up to 300%, and these are the basic rewards. I will show you also those in the smart contract in the back office. There is personal hold bonus, there is leader bonus, there is community bonus, there is contract total amount bonus. So all that I'll be explaining. And for those of you who are building a team, there is some you can build a team up to 11 levels deep. As you can see, level 1 you get 7%, level 2 3%, level 3 1.5%, and so on up to level 11 where you get 0.1%. So for team builders, you can focus on this and make a lot of money from the referral commissions. So that's it. Here they can say that the affiliate program is designed to suit every large teams and can generate a significant increase in total revenue. The referral rewards instantly come out of the smart contract into your main wallet. So the referral rewards are not kept into the smart contract, they are directly sent into your wallet, and you can see that instantly. So there is the Telegram group, there is the YouTube channel, and there is also the main support email. I'm going to leave all those links in the back office. You guys can check them out. And so let me jump into my office. Remember, To begin with, you need to have the referral link from your sponsor. I've already copied mine, and this is the Tron link wallet that I'm going to use. So if I'm to go back, let me show you guys how this is my Tron link wallet, and I'm having 25,000 TRX that I'm going to use into this account. So to begin with, you go to discover down here, click on discover, then it will bring the Dapp's browser up there. You click on the Dapp's browser, then you get your sponsor link. My sponsor's link is here. I copy it and then I paste it. Oh god, I paste it in the Dapp's browser. You enter. You wait for it to load a bit. So guys, as it is loading, let me show you the Twitter, no, the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel where they put all the updates. As you can see, it reached 151,000 members, and it was posted. 710 million TRX was contributed into Troncase. So all these updates are posted in the Telegram channel. Yeah, so I'll also leave the link in the description. So this is my back office, guys. We are back. So it opens like this. Then there are these three little lines here. On the top right hand corner, you click on them, and then you click on the word contribution. So you wait for the people who are doing this for the first time. You wait for your upline partner wallet to load, and you check whether it is the one, and then you can proceed and make the contribution. So this one, it is delaying. Let me first do it again and see. I don't know why it is delaying, but let me first go to personal wallet. It is delaying. I don't know why. Maybe. And I had got in earlier. It was loading. I don't know why it is delaying now. So let me check again. Alright guys, my upline partner wallet has loaded. So you should wait for it to load and verify whether it is the one before you proceed on making any payment. So I'm gonna begin with 25,000. This is 25,000 TRX, and I'm gonna document my journey every day, meaning that every day I'm gonna be shooting a video to show you my progress, and I'm gonna go bullish on this. I'm gonna build a team. I'm trying my level best to build a team, and also give out some free goodies to my team members. So guys, then you click on contribution. Yeah, you hold on, click on continue. This is my verifying. I'm gonna pause the video and put my password. I don't want you guys to see my password. So I've put my password and I'm waiting for confirmation. So the transaction is successful. They're telling me to check my personal wallet. I click on the X here in the upper right hand corner. Then I click on personal wallet. So as you can see, my deposit has come, 25,000 TRX. And I've already started earning. So guys, the strategy I'm going to be using here is that I'm not going to withdraw because I want to get also some hold bonus. So I'm going to be making one withdraw every week. That's the strategy I'm going to be using. So I'm going to think about other things that I'm going to do in my journey in Troncase. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video, most probably tomorrow at the same time, as I do show you the earnings I've got within 24 hours. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I'll be bringing out every day. And also remember to do your due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to show you my journey in crypto, and you should always invest what you can afford to lose. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.